Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Sudoku step by step. Let's start with the basics. Sudoku is a logic-based number placement puzzle played on a 9x9 grid. This grid is further divided into 9 smaller 3x3 subgrids. Your goal is to fill every empty cell so that each row, each column, and each of the 9 3x3 subgrids contains all of the digits from 1 through 9, with no repeats. Now, let's dive into some simple strategies. Begin by scanning the grid for rows, columns, or 3x3 blocks that already have many numbers filled in. This makes it easier to find the missing digits. A great starting point is to look for naked singles. This is when a cell has only one possible digit that can be placed in it, based on the existing numbers in its row, column, and block. Another technique is finding hidden singles, where a digit can only go in one specific cell within a row, column, or block. Ready for some more advanced moves? Once you've exhausted the simpler techniques, try looking for naked pairs or triples. These occur when 2 or 3 cells in a unit can only contain the same 2 or 3 digits, allowing you to eliminate those digits as possibilities from other cells in that unit. Similarly, hidden pairs or triples involve finding 2 or 3 digits that can only be placed in 2 or 3 specific cells within a unit. Mastering these will significantly improve your solving speed. The best way to get better at Sudoku is to practice regularly. Begin with easier puzzles to build your confidence and understanding of the basic rules and techniques. As you become more comfortable, gradually challenge yourself with medium and hard difficulty levels. There are many excellent online Sudoku apps and websites available that offer a wide range of puzzles for daily practice. Remember to check the description for a link to some great deals, including those amazing darn tough socks with a lifetime warranty. Keep practicing, and you'll be a Sudoku master in no time.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.